This right here is an amazing little fire pit. It's high quality, it's portable, and it holds a fire very well. It's made really strong. It's got strong, sturdy legs, and putting it together is actually pretty simple, but I would recommend not doing it when it's freezing cold outside. Maybe put it together inside first. You have a top here, and it comes with all the screws and parts to put it together. It doesn't come with any tools, so make sure you have the appropriate tools like a screwdriver. It also comes with this grill top, so you can cook some food on here. It covers the whole thing, and it looks great. This is a great way to cook some food, especially some steaks. Inside it's pretty deep. You could put a bunch of logs in there. It has little parts that raise up, which is great, so it gives it a little bit more airflow underneath the logs, and that's going to keep that fire roaring a lot longer. And my friends that came over to hang out were all very impressed with it. They actually wanted to know where to get it because it works that well. Now, after the fire, it did rain, so that's why it looks like that now, but it is waterproof, weatherproof, and it's quality made. And it's also pretty lightweight as well, so lifting it up is actually not that hard. All in all, great little fire pit, perfect for those cold nights or, summer nights when you want to have a fire. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.